So, just a quick update where we are with the project. So, currently we have the project compiling, no errors, and we can play the project by, typing in, the project name, AliceWonderland.exe. All this code is debug code, essentially, I've added just to let me know what functions I'm in, what file I'm reading, because I was having some issues accessing files. Basically, one of the big things was when I finally got it working, I still was getting a lot of file not read things. As you guys might remember if you're watching the previous videos, in CLion you have to access the code even if it's in your current working directory like this. Even if the text files are in the project directory, they're actually stored in a debug folder one level above when you actually look in the file explorer. So you have to access them with ... like that when you're using the CLion IDE. However, when you're using command prompt, you have to access the files without, like, they're in the directory they're in. So you don't have that ... So that's why there's none right here, because I'm using the command prompt for this code. So all this stuff is really just debug text, but really just let you know that, hey, these are the locations, this is some random text, their exits, and then the rest is debug. So again, another so we get down here, we have our introduction, like our intro for the game, and then we have a do while loop where we can actually, I can look around and see where I'm at. Again, a lot of debug stuff I'll eventually take out, but it just says, hey, you are in the riverbank, description of location, blah blah blah, something something something, another line of text, items and location. There's nothing here. That's just I can go north, and now I'm in the river, in the water. I can go south and go back on the riverbank. I can go east, and apparently I'm in a rabbit hole. I can go south, and I'll be in Twig's Landing, right? I can look around again. You're in Twig's Landing, there's nothing around, so I can go west. I'm in the Great Hall, I can look. There's nothing here. Again, I have to fill in a lot of this code. But the program is working for now. Now is to the point that I wish I would have been at a long time ago. Before I actually just kind of gave up on the C++ stuff for a while and switched over to doing Java. But now I'm back and I need to look at this code. Unfortunately, now I have a lot of work to do to get the code fully ready. I've got all the boilerplate stuff though, and I just need to fill it in with excerpts from the novel and that sort of thing. The novel, the Alice in Wonderland, because the locations are based on that. And so I still have a lot of work to do, but at least I've got a lot of the irritants out of the way. So that's it, and then I can quit, and it gives me a nice message, goodbye. So just letting you guys know where we're at. So at least it looks like we've solved the issue. Again, if I'm using CLion, I have to preface my location files with this, but if I'm doing another IDE or the command line, I don't. I just have the file name. Anyway, talk to you later.